Sexual liberation is a wonderful thing.
But the Law Reform Commission now proposes that anyone who is fraudulently induced to participate in sexual activity does not, in law, consent to that sexual activity. That shifts everything.
Under this provision, any misrepresentation that induces consent means that that consent is no consent at all.
Keep in mind, this is just a proposed law. It's not passed yet. The public has roughly 2 weeks to respond to this. Now, leaving aside ideology, which is just a big, fat, easy target, why would you give people, or if you're a professional and you have an opportunity to give yourself free work for, guaranteed free work in the future, for just crazy little lawmaking things, you would be silly not to take it up. Why do we give this opportunity to people? And here we go. Karen Willis, head of Rape and Domestic Violence Services Australia, is sceptical. She doubts Australian juries would convict when lies are equated with actual assault. Well, yes, I agree. But, it's 5-10 years down the track when these things really kick in. Back to quotes, we have a real problem with sexual assault in this country. Of course we do. You're a bloody professional in the area. Of course, you're not going to say, there's not much of a problem. We don't need to do much. You've got a vested interest, just like these lawyers, the New South Wales Law Reform Commission. I mean, this is a genuine state body proposing this law. We need to focus on where the problem is. When 2 or more people are going to engage in sexual activity, everyone has to make sure everyone is consenting. I mean, what a retard. She's gone straight to group sex. And, she's a part of the Rape and Domestic Violence Services Australia. I mean, this is how retarded they are. If you've got 7 people, as long as they all said yes, everything's fine. They just have no idea what's going on. Telling someone you love them. This is back to the guy I was speaking before, Andrew Dyer, Sydney University criminologist. Telling someone you love them when you don't, pretending to be rich and well-connected when you are not, claiming educational achievements that you don't possess, denying a complete sexual history complex, say with same-sex partners, could all conceivably count as fraudulently obtaining sexual consent. The reforms would cover conversations on dating apps such as Tinder, as well as real-life encounters. I mean, geez, it's just, nobody lies on Tinder. I mean, I don't know why they need to pass these laws. Anyone with views on the draft proposals to lodge a submission by Monday the 18th of November. This is the New South Wales Attorney General. You don't want feedback on this. It's